This call is now being recorded.
Okay, last class we discussed about human body. Yes, Nana?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, now there is again some part is there. So, we discussed it already, human body, we are using our body parts, we are doing so many works, okay. We are using our sense organs, we are listening voice, seeing some peaks, you are taking smell to others, tastes, you are you are seeing the taste, okay. When you are touching the things, we are getting feel, okay. Anyway, in our life, we are using our body parts and sense organs, okay. Yeah. Now see on the screen once. You know, last class we discussed it already. What you discussed it? How our body parts helps us. How our body parts helps us means, yes, by walk, by kick, by jog, by dance, we are using our legs. We are doing these things. Walk, kick, jog, dance. Yes, by using our hands, we are doing some work like lift, push, pull, throw. These are the we are using our hands, we are doing work. Yes, and our back helps us to stand. Our back helps us to stand straight and to behind forward, back forward. Yes, our back helps us to stand straight and to behind forward and back forward. And our head to bend down and squat and kneel. Our knees helps us to bend down, squat, kneel. Yes. Our neck helps us to turn head from side to side. Neck helps us to turn, Nana, those are tongue, ear, nose, skin, ear. Okay, this is the last class we discussed it. Yes? Yes or no? Say.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, we
Yeah, you should
discussed.
respond. Yeah. Okay, today we will discuss how our how our sense organs helps us. Today I am to explain how our sense organs help us. And the sense organs మనకి ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతున్నాయి అనేది I will explain this class. Okay? Okay. Everybody should see the screen.
Sir, are we presenting?
Nana, don't present your screen. Arohi. Others just keep on mute. Nana, don't present your screen. Okay? Okay. Everybody should have the screen. First of all, how our sense organs helps us. Our sense organs helps us to know about the things around us. మన చుట్టూ ఏం జరుగుతున్నాయి అనేది తెలుసు.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Yes, sir, it's
అవునా?
okay.
Okay, okay. It will be distracting now. Wait. Yeah, it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. See, nose. Just keep on mute, all of you. I'm going to explain nose. Nose helps us to smell. Okay? Nose help us to take smell. Okay? Smell can be good or bad. Smell can be good or bad. We are taking smell by using nose. Yes, how our nose for use to everybody to take smell, that is good or bad. We are using that nose. Okay, there is a different types smells. We know. Okay, by using nose we are taking smell. Okay, that is good or bad. Okay, yeah, and eyes. Eyes. See once here, it's completed. I'm going to explain eyes. Eyes helps us to see. Eyes help us to see. We can see the size, shape, and color of things around us. మన చుట్టూ ఉండే sizes, shapes, colors of things. By using eyes, we are finding some sizes. Yes, like, yeah, my mobile size is like this, my apple size is like this. We are finding by using eyes. By using eyes, we are taking help eyes. We are finding sizes, shapes. Yeah, its size, its computer shape is Nana.
May I read ear sentence?
Ear.
Ears sentence.
Eyes are ears.
Ears.
HEAR. Here.
Not ears. Ears sentences.
EARS. EARS. చెవులు కదా ఇయర్స్ కదా నువ్వు అడిగేది EARS. Okay, see here, our eyes help us to see. We can see the sizes, shapes, colors of things. Yeah, that bucket is yellow color, the egg is white color, our hair is black color, our dress is orange color. Yes,
The sky is in blue color.
yes, by using our eyes we are finding some colors of things. Yes, yeah. Next, ears help us to hear. Ear help us to hear different sounds. Sounds can be loud or soft. Yes, sounds can be loud or soft. By using ear, we are hearing. Yes, different sounds. Like loud sounds like train sound, aeroplane sound. Okay, this is loud sound. Soft sound means when you are talking with your friends, you will talk softly. Hey, hi Deependra, how are you? Hi Rishi. Hi Parthu. Hi
Hi,
Pranit.
sir.
When you are talking like this is soft sound. Okay, అంటే we are using ear, we are hearing different sounds, that's loud or soft. Louds like bike horn, bus horn, lorry horn, truck horn, aeroplane horn, um, train horn. This is the loud sounds. Soft sounds like when you are talking with your parents, when you are talking with your friends, when you are raining time. Just listen, everybody should concentration. When it's rainy time, at the moment, you will get little bit sound, that air, A-I-R, air sound. Sir, how we will get air sound? Yes, we will get air sound. Eppudu, when it's coming before the rainy, at the moment, you can see a ground, there is grass will be turn right, turn left, like this. At the moment you can observe, there is little bit soft sound. That is 0.000% of sound is there. Yes, that is soft sound. When you are talking with your parents and friends, your relatives, your neighborhood, that is the soft sound. Okay? Yeah. Next, tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Yes, tongue helps us to taste sweet, sour, bitter, salty things. అంటే సాల్ట్ని కానీ, సూప్ని కానీ, సోప్ని కానీ, బటర్స్ని కానీ, స్వీట్ని కానీ టేస్ట్ చేయడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ టంగ్స్. అండ్ బై యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ టాక్ చేయడానికి, మాట్లాడడానికి కూడా వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ టంగ్స్. ఎస్, without tongues we cannot talk to anybody. Without tongues we cannot talk. Okay, next, skin. Skin helps us to feel hard. Okay, skin helps us to feel. Skin ద్వారా ఏం నేర్చుకుంటాం మనం? ఒక ఫీల్ వస్తుంది. When you are touching to your mouse, when you are touching computer, when you are touching your mobile, when you are touching to your parents, then you will get feel. That is hard కావచ్చు, సాఫ్ట్ కావచ్చు, హాట్ కావచ్చు, కోల్డ్ కావచ్చు, స్మూత్ కావచ్చు. లైక్ హార్డ్ అన్నప్పుడు if you will touch iron, that will be hard. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When you are touching iron,
Yes,
then you
Yes,
will get hard.
Yes, sir.
When you will touch rubber, you will get feel soft. When you will touch fire or that's fire or any bone, you are cooking something, at the moment when you are touching the bone, at the time it will be feel like hot. Yes, when you are eating that samosa, that will be hot. Okay, cold. When you are eating ice cream, it's very cold, you will get the feel cold. Okay, when it's really coming the rainy, at the moment you will get the feel cold. Yes, yeah, that is that. By using skin we are getting different type feels. Okay, yeah, very good. You can write some words here. You can write down your notebook. Everybody should write.
Sir, what words?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay? Yeah, right. Nose. 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 Fast. You should write fast. Don't slow. Nose. Nose. Eyes. 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 Ear. EARS. Ear. Chevulu. Don't write chevulu, just write ears. Tongue.
Sir, say first, please.
Abba. Nose. First one nose. 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 Second one.
Sir, what is second one? Sir, nose after what?
Just write the words. What I'm saying, just listen. First word nose. 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 Second one eyes. 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 Third one ear. 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 EARS. Ear. EARS. See the screen. If you're not understanding, see the screen. Okay, there is a word. Next, tongue. 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 Next, skin. 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 Okay, you are writing.
Sir, tell first. Yes, sir.
First one is nose. First one is nose. 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 First one nose. Second one eyes. Third one ears. Fourth one tongue. Fifth one skin. SKIN. Skin.
Sir, again words you'll say. First answer guns only.
Wait. I will tell you. Wait. See once.
Sir, show once. Sir, your voice is very low.
Okay, I did not speak. Where can you slow?
Your screen is not visible to see.
Okay, it will come. Wait.
Sir, your voice is very low. I cannot.
Listen. Everybody should listen. Just keep on mute. Yogesh, Madhucharan God, you are coming late. And Bhumika also. You are coming middle. How can you get the topic? How you will understand the lesson? Okay. Yeah, Srinidhi, hi.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Pandari, sir, to my sister, it is saying difficult to join. That's why she joined late.
Okay, Nana. Okay. Okay, did you complete your lunch, Srinidhi?
Did you complete your lunch? Yes.
Yes.
What you eat?
Rice. Dal, tandoori sir. Rice, dal.
Okay, okay, okay. Bhumika.
అది ఫస్ట్ చూపెట్టారా
Okay, okay. Don't worry. I will tell you. Don't worry. After the end of the class, I will tell you. Okay.
సార్
You and maybe Yogesh and Madhucharan God. Yeah. I will tell you. Don't worry. Yeah.
సార్ మయ్యాస్తా
Okay, okay. Just see here. Just help me. I am match the description to the person. Okay. Already, man, last class lo and this class we discussed it about the body parts and uh, what are the situation is there. Okay. Say just help me for matching. I like to play with my grandchildren. In this downside, there is 4 pigs. Which is that?
First small baby and next big
There is
big
sentences you can listen. See the clarity. I like to play with my grandchildren.
lost by
When you will play with your grandchildren?
third one sir
Yes.
not visible
Yeah, third one. Yeah, it's clear, amma. Ante maybe it will be network problem. Here I'm using computer and there is clarity. It is downloaded already PDF.
using laptop
Yeah.
I'm using laptop
నేను ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇంకొద్దిసేపు అలాగే ఉంచితే మేబీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ క్లారిటీ. ఓకే, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఎవ్రీవన్.
okay sir
First one is a third answer. Yes. I cry when I am hungry. I cannot speak. Which is the person is suitable the word sentence?
boy first small boy
Yeah, first boy. You should say everybody.
boy sir
Not only Prasuksha, Bhumika, Deependra, Varshit. You should say if you know answer, everybody should say. Okay, otherwise I will ask individually.
okay sir Padutaram going
Yeah. Now it's question for Yogesh.
okay sir Padutaram
Yogesh.
sir
Others keep on mute, Nana. Madhucharan go. Just keep on mute. Yogesh.
what sir
I cry when I am hungry. I cannot speak. Which image is suitable the sentence? Say. Which image suitable the sentence? నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఆకలి అయితే ఏడుస్తూ ఉంటావు, అప్పుడు మాట్లాడవు ఇక. See, once there is downside is there is 3 picks only. One is already completed.
small baby
Yeah, Parthu. Say, do you know answer?
small baby
Nana? Parthu. I think Srinidhi will tell. Srinidhi. First image, no? Yeah, very good. First image suitable the image. Yeah, very good. See, next, everybody listen the question. I just Srinidhi, just keep on mute. Yogesh, just keep on mute, Nana. Madhucharan go. Yogesh, just keep on mute. Very good. I like to do things myself. I go to school. Which image suitable the sentence. Wait, I will ask somebody's. Wait.
Last boy. Last boy.
Okay. Keep on mute. Keep mute. This is Parthu. Parthu. Just match it. Parthu. You know answer or you don't know? Say anything. Pawan Sai. See now, Rishi will tell. Yeah, Rishi.
Yes, sir.
Which is the suitable the sentences to image?
Fourth one.
Yeah, that's it. See, update boy ante ila undali. What happened, Parthu? What happened to you? And Pranit Sai. Just response. If you know answer, I know sir answer, you should say. If you don't know answer, sir, I don't know sir answer, you should say. Otherwise, you are not understanding, sir. You can explain one time, sir, please. I cannot understand that.
Screen is blur.
Yes. అర్థమవుతుంది. Yeah, okay. Just keep on mute, Anna. Parthu and Rishi. Parthu, just keep on mute. Yeah. Last one. I am tall, young, and strong. I go to office. This is for second. There is no option. Yeah.
Second.
Yeah, Pasitya and Amulya, there are ready to say answer. Yeah, everybody know there is no another option. So they will say everybody say answer. Yeah, okay, done. This is a tip. Okay, write some words now. You should write some words. I will tell you. Cry.
In notebook.
Everybody should write. Cry.
In EVS book.
Yeah, in EVS book.
Okay, sir.
Cry. C-R-Y. Cry.
Sir, second. Sir, second one.
నాట్ సెకండ్ కంటిన్యూస్ గా రాయండి. ఇంతకన్నా ముందు 5 వర్డ్స్ చెప్పాను కదా, సో యూ షుడ్ కంటిన్యూస్ ద రైట్ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైతే లేట్ వచ్చిర్రో దే విల్ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ టు. డోంట్ వరీ, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ లేటర్. డోంట్ వరీ, వీ కెన్ రైట్. Cry. I will tell you.
Sir, first one is cry.
Yeah, first one is cry.
Second one, textbook. Sir, second one, sir.
Wait, dirty fellow. They are not ready others. Sai Sahasra.
Sir.
Cheppu.
Textbook. Right.
Just write down in your notebook. Okay. Everybody should write down your notebook or rough notes. Okay. Which book is available is there, you can write that book. Okay. Yeah. First one is cry. C-R-Y, cry. I will tell you only 3 times. Next, hungry. Hungry. H-U-N. H-U-N. Already is there on screen. Just hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y.
Sir, I wrote.
H-U-N-G-R-Y. First one is cry. C-R-Y, cry. Then speak. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak.
Over. Over.
Okay. Things. 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 Things.
Over, sir.
Okay, very good.
Over, sir. Done.
Strong. 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 Strong.
Over, sir.
Write properly. Don't say you will writing little bit and over sir, over sir. Next class I will put what is that exam?
Dictation.
Yeah, dictation.
Dictation.
Yeah. Next office. Next office. 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 Office.
Over, sir. Done. Tell, sir.
OFF. Who is completed? Just silence.
OFFICE.
Yes.
Office.
Yeah.
Over, sir. OFFICE. OFFICE.
Okay, everybody should silence. Silence, Arohi. Silence. Just keep on. Keep mute. Yeah. See, I'm explaining new topic. This is not new topic. See, how we are growing in our life as well as same time can take see here like as plant and animals also grow. Yes, how we are now see మీరు చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు అలాగే ఉన్నారా when your child life and now can same there
No.
it's different.
Different.
Yes. Kada at the same time plants and animals also grow. They also to change as they grow. ఎస్ ఎప్పుడైతే అవి పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయో దేర్ ఇస్ టూ చేంజ్ కనబడుతుంది మనకి కదా యూ కెన్ సీ వన్స్ ఇమేజ్ దేర్ ఇస్ సీ వన్ స్క్రీన్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ ప్లాంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే వీ విల్ టేక్ ఎనీ ప్లాంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ దేర్ ఇస్ సీడ్ okay when seed it's grow to a baby plant okay when it will seed ఎప్పుడైతే grow అవుతుందో after 15 days it will like a baby plant that's called sapling okay మనం ఎప్పుడైతే సీడ్ని మట్టిలో పెడతామో మేబీ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 to 10 days it will be like a baby plant after 7 to 10 days it will like a baby plant that's we are calling the name sapling okay sapling like this okay then after 20 days it will like plant after 20 days it will like plant after some days it will like tree okay there will be two change as they grow Yes, there will be two change as they grow. Okay, yeah, we will take another example.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Nana.
one seed, second one baby plant.
Yeah, third one plant, then tree. Yes, as well as animals also like that only. There we will take one hen. There also same process. First one egg. After 20 to 25 days, we will get chick. Chick means kodipilla. 20 to 25 days, we will get chick. Then some days, after some days, we will see a hen. Kada? There is what we are observing here. There is some, when you are growing as a two change. Yes, it's you can take plant also, you can take any animal also, you can take any bird also. There is, as a day by day, it will be changed. At the same time, in our life also like that only.
Sir,
Nana,
Sir. I have small puppy.
Wow. Okay. See one screen. Arohi, just keep on mute. And you can take small puppy also. There is, so after some days, young puppy. Again after some days, it will like dog. Yes, there is also to change. They have life, their life, and as well as same our life also. When you are small baby, after then you will like girl. After then you are younger girl. After then you are woman. Yes, there is also some different. Okay, our body parts will be, there is change. It will be in your child life. Your body parts will be small. After some days, when you will younger, your body parts will be strong and big. Yes, yeah. See, just we have to write some words. Just write down now. Right now, seed. 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 Seed.
Done, sir.
Sapling. 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 Sapling.
Done, sir.
Then plant.
Thanks, sir. Kinder birayna, sapling kinder birayna.
No need.
Okay, sir.
What I am saying, just that only write.
Okay.
Next, plant. Plant.
Say from first.
Seed. 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 Then
Sir, over.
sapling. 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 Tarvata plant. 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 And a tree we know already. Okay, you should, if you want to write, you can write tree. TREE. Tree.
Sir, I already wrote. Sir, I think to talk, please.
Varshit. Okay, write fast. Yeah, others you can check who is completed. There is spelling mistakes. Will be, you will do spelling mistakes. Okay, you can check yourself. Okay. Yeah, Varshit is completed. నేను ఏదైతే రౌండ్ అప్ చేస్తున్నానో అదే రాసుకోండి. డోంట్ రైట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఓకే.
నాన్న సెకండ్ వన్ ది
సెకండ్ వన్ మొత్తం రాయొద్దు నాన్న, సాప్లింగ్ ఒకటే, సీడ్, సాప్లింగ్, ప్లాంట్, ట్రీ, దట్స్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ చిక్ రాయండి, ఓన్లీ చిక్, నాట్ ఎగ్. ఎగ్ వద్దు, హెన్ వద్దు, చిక్ ఓన్లీ, చిక్. చిక్ ఓన్లీ రైట్, చిక్. వాటమ్మా ఎప్పుడు రాస్తావు మరి? రైట్ ఫాస్ట్. సాయి సహస్ర ఇదేనా? ఎక్కడున్నావు ఇప్పుడు? ఏది రాస్తున్నావు సాయి సహస్ర? స్టాండ్ ఎక్కడుందమ్మా అక్కడ? ప్లాంట్ ప్లాంట్ కంప్లీటెడా? రైట్ ఫాస్ట్. రాయి మరి, తొందర రాయు. PLANT ప్లాంట్. తొందర రాయాలి. చూడు అందరు ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ రాస్తున్నాడు. పవన్ సార్, మన ప్రణీత్ సార్. I don't tell you, just write chick only.
Sir, over.
Yeah, Sai Sastra is completed.
Completed, sir.
Next.
No, sir.
Hey, mental fellow, no, what you are doing? You are writing or not? Okay, I will tell you. Plant, right? PLANT, plant. Next, chick. Chick, CHICK. Sai Sahasra, chick, CHICK.
Sir, we should write hen and egg.
Don't write egg and hen. What I am saying, that only, okay?
Okay.
Don't write extra.
Sir, next I wrote PUPPY puppy.
Okay, only write puppy, not small puppy, young puppy. Only write puppy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only write puppy.
Sir, I wrote that only.
You can write only puppy. PUPPY puppy. Sai Sasda, did you write? Completed?
Sir, see my screen. Yes, sir, completed.
Yeah. Don't show. Just turn off your video and audio. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I will check later. Yeah, completed puppy.
Yes, sir.
Can I go next topic?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody should take screenshot this ones. Wait for 1 minute. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. స్క్రీన్ చాలా క్లియర్గా కనబడుతుంది. You should take now screenshot. Screenshot తీసుకోండి.
I took, sir.
Okay. What is your homework ఏందంటే? Okay, I will wait. Don't worry. I'm saying homework. Just listen, everybody. I'm saying homework. Just listen. You have to write. You wrote now some words. That words you have to write each one 2 times, Nana. Just before you wrote some words.
Sir, 2 times.
How many words is there?
Wait, sir, I count.
You can
1,
count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Yeah, you came late, no? That's why there is 12. You can write 5 sense organs, Bhumika.
17.
You will get 17.
Okay. 17.
Okay, total 17 words is there.
17.
That 17 words, each one 2 times, Nana. You have to read and you have to write.
Sir. Sensor guns we write 5.
Yeah.